In 2016, during our premarital counseling with Pastor Nomi, in one of the classes, she made some declaration, and one of them was that we will live in a house we did not build. Yes, the wedding came and it was successful, though it happened when the country was in recession. Fast forward to 2020, when the whole world witnessed a deadly pandemic, just as the scripture says, that when men are crying, saying there is a casting down, we will rejoice and say, yes, there is a lifting in. Just then, my first testimony came with an appointment letter during the lockdown. On the 6th of December 2020, in one of the pastor's messages, he said that before the 31st of December 2020, that someone will move from being a tenant to own a house. Then on the 20th December, pastor spoke on the God of suddenly. To our greatest surprise, we got our Christmas suddenly, which is a house we did not build nor paid for. To confirm the words of our pastors, indeed, Jehovah don't do us something. My name is Marshall Mwagu, and this is my victory report.